I'm an early morning person,
Yeah.
wakes up about 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning.
Almost every day. So that's been my journey. And then I do a lot of study, understand market trends, industry challenges, market shifts.
My guest for today is Cheda from Sumeru Solutions. Cheda is the Chief Program Officer over there, and he also likes to help startups launch their technological journey, which means that if you have an idea and then you don't know how to go about building an infrastructure supporting that, Cheda is the man for you. Cheda also helps a lot of small and medium businesses kickstart with their cybersecurity journey. He's been a thorough professional in the same, and now he's sharing his wealth of knowledge with other companies and with us. Welcome to the show, Cheda.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me here.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Absolutely. Yeah. So take me through your day-to-day routine. What is it like for you?
I start my journey with a breathing exercise, and that keeps me fit to be very, very focused. And that helps me a lot. And that's where my journey begins in the morning. I'm an early morning person, wakes up about 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning.
Almost every day. So that's been my journey. And then I do a lot of study, understand market trends, industry challenges, market shifts, what's happening, especially in the cybersecurity industry, because I'm passionate very much about cybersecurity, especially in protecting startups. I've gone through a journey where multiple startups have failed repeatedly with the simple problem of not having basic cybersecurity hygiene in place. I have seen them struggling day in and day out, and they think it is super expensive.
Yeah.
But telling them, guiding them with the information, saying that, man, it's not necessarily to be very expensive. It can be budget friendly. You can do simple things to keep you protected, to keep you safe online. And that's where I think I spend a lot of time talking to people. In addition to list of things that I do every day for my day-to-day job work, I think my sheer passion is to communicate this knowledge to people, to make their life easier, and democratize security for that matter, if I can say it, and then ensure best defense is available to all. And that's where my passion is.
That's an amazing thought, Cheda. How did you get started on your cybersecurity journey? Was that your first job?
No, that was not. I'm a structural engineer by profession.
Oh my God.
I did my master's in structural engineering, worked for an offshore structure company called Techno for 4.5 years. Then with my passion towards contribution, Art of Living had started a company called Sumeru Software Solutions, and their whole spirit is you do your job, but whatever profits you earn post-investment, they donate to social upliftment projects. And that resonated with me well. So I said, man, I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be comfortable. I'm going to be earning. At the same time, post-investments, whatever that I can contribute to the society, I thought, why not? Let's pick it up. So that's when I started the journey. I don't know what to do. So we are two guys. I had my roommate who's an IIT Madras guy, and then we all said we'll start building technology. So we started with exploring ourselves with Ruby on Rails back 16 years ago. So started, and then Elance was very popular. Today it's called Upwork.
Yeah.
So we have been doing a lot of freelancing work here. So slowly build the team for Sumeru. And then we've been doing technology for startups for quite a long time. So in the process, every startup that we built, one way or the other, they were struggling on the cybersecurity space. So
what were some of the most common things that you have faced?
The first thing that we see is that they repeatedly get vulnerable to the phishing attacks.
Correct.
So this is the most common thing. And today, if you would have seen, around 70% of the companies globally in 2023 fell prey to ransomware. And if you see that, 40% out of that is through email attacks. And that is significant. So the simple basic awareness, I said, man, why are these guys getting repeatedly becoming victim every now and then? So we said, what can we do about it? And that's when we slowly started with giving them cybersecurity awareness training. And that was our starting point. And then we said we'll build our practice. And then Sumeru had some kind of cybersecurity people around. So they had some people who are ethical hackers, well certified, doing vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, etc. I said, man, let's put together all of this together. So the team which was there, I took over and I said, whatever that we are doing, I wanted to categorize into two things. One, simple, startups can resonate to, which is basic cybersecurity hygiene. We call it as BSH. And then we said, whatever service that we can do after, we thought we'll call it as above security hygiene. So that we'll take you from where you are to the journey that you need to be. So then we put together all of this, a simple journey that started with giving cybersecurity awareness training to doing small VAPTs of infrastructure and application. Today, we stand there to guide startups, help them travel the journey of security, build the security first culture in the startup company that we are working on. Because any startup where we build technology, we just don't think through design part. We just think through security aspect of it. Bringing in that security culture for those startups from the start point till the end, put a slow, simple steps and tell them repeatedly, boss, it doesn't need to be expensive. Let's walk you through the journey. Let's understand your business priorities. Let's understand your crown jewels. Let us understand your vendor ecosystem, your partner ecosystem, your external attack surface. Let's put together a simple journey, understand your gap, and then take it from there. And a journey that started simple today now has become a big, full-fledged cybersecurity journey.